Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'm going to be replacing the screen for this car. This is a Scion IA, and this could be the same for Toyota Yaris or like a Mazda 3. But the layout on how to change this is different from every car. But this is specifically for the IA, the Scion. I went online and I couldn't find any videos on this, so that's why So I actually have the thing here. Recording with one hand, so I can't barely. It's pretty much a screen, a glass screen with a digitizer. That should replace that. Here it goes. See? Perfect fit. And it has this ribbon cable in the back. We have to take that apart. Alright, so if you don't already have tools like these, make sure you get some. They're just like pry tools. So first and foremost, just gonna get your pry tool, get it under here, either find a good spot for it to maybe get a different one. Yeah, this one's better. Okay, yeah. See that? And that should pop right up. Just right under there, you're gonna find, I believe these are 10mm screws. So let me go get my ratchet. Let's take these off. All right, so after you get that done, I believe the next step is back here getting this other piece piped up. And you're just gonna have to, like, I don't know, just try to get this. It's important for you guys to use tools like these tools, because if you were using a screwdriver, you would be scratching all of this out. So it's actually a good idea to get you some of these. Anyways, so there you go. I got behind it. So you just pretty much like pry it open, just like the front part, the front off. Okay. See. See. There you go. Just gonna have to go all around. Go. See that? Now you got all both pieces. Oh, I think I'm not sure. I think there's still some screws to get taken out. Oh no, I remember now. So there's some clips in here. You have to get those out too. So just like you're prying up, underneath. Maybe for this part, maybe a screwdriver would be better. See that? There you go. Yeah, screwdriver. Use a screwdriver. There you go. So now this is free. It's gonna come out. From here, make sure you disconnect this cable right here. If you want, you can just disconnect the screen. I think that would be the easiest. If not, you can disconnect the whole unit from the back and then work on it on your own. But for me, I think I'm just gonna disconnect just the screen itself. So if you want to do that, like I said, these two cables, get them out, and these four up here. Okay guys, so there you go. Like I said, two cables down in the bottom, 4 screws up in the top, and you get your screen. So I'm actually gonna go take this inside, do it at my house, tear this all apart. I'll catch you guys when I'm inside. Okay, so I'm back at my place, and first and foremost, 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, to get this whole piece out. So you get all those 4 screws out. Next, maybe these 2 screws up in the front, this one, and the one on the other side. So as you can see, that piece comes off rather easy. It just, after that, this thing just comes right off. The next step after that would be to remove these screws that are right here. This one, this one, this one, this one, and this whole bracket's gonna come off. And that would release the whole screen from the whole thing. And after that comes the fun part. I also forgot to mention, once you get all those screws off, get yourself, there's gonna be like a couple tabs inside right there in the side, right there. I don't know if oh, there you go, right there. Get your screwdriver in there and just like pry up. The whole thing should come off, see? And just be careful in this part because you have all this circuitry right here. Next, we're gonna remove this ribbon cable. I'm gonna have to use my 2 hands because I'm seeing it's pretty hard. Yeah, just be careful, don't touch any of this. So this has some tabs, so all you want to do is just be very careful with it. Just push down, and the ribbon cable should come right off. See that? Bam. Then after that, you just grab this whole piece. I'm gonna use my 2 hands because I'm using my phone. But yeah, just grab this piece, set it up aside, and then we're gonna deal with the front part of the screen. And there you go. So this is the screen. This is the actual piece that we're gonna be replacing. Now, this has an adhesive that goes all around. So there's no real way to take it all apart other than just to like get under here and like break the actual glass, because this is real glass. So yeah guys, check out the actual replacement. It goes right on top, and you see it's the right one. This is actual glass. You see how this has some adhesive? That's probably what it has too inside. So I'm gonna try with a razor blade, see if I can get under this. If not, just try to break it, I guess. All right guys, so I was able to put a blade right in between, and I was able to get it all apart. So pretty much what it comes out. Let's try to go all around the edge and it should come right off. Yeah, that's the only clean way I know I could take it off. So this is trash. Anyways, after that, after you get that done, you're gonna want to clean all this residue off from the old adhesive that was on there. Make sure this thing is nice and clean. You know, either using your blade or actually scraping it with something. Make sure this is real nice before we put the new screen. Alright guys, so that's as good as I got it. Just pretty much take most of it off. You know, there's gonna be a little residue. I try to get it off with some glue gun, but it doesn't seem to be working. But it's pretty much good as long as you don't have none of that other old sticky stuff on here. We're pretty much golden. So go ahead and put this on. Make sure you don't touch the screen. You know, you don't want any fingerprints on it. It does come with some plastic. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this back layer. Do not touch it with your fingers, because then next thing you know, you're gonna be looking at your car and you're gonna have fingerprints behind the screen, and that's something you don't want. So just be mindful of that. Okay? Alright guys, so that is it right there. So you can see, I haven't removed the plastic in the back. I mean the front part of it. just to keep it safe from scratching. Anyways, make sure you slid the ribbon cable right through this indent right here, and then just go ahead and assemble everything back together, just in the opposite direction. So first this, and then after you put this, and then the cover's back on. And yeah, guys, I'll catch you guys when I got it all assembled back together. All right, so we're back at the car, and we're gonna install this. First, the cables that go in the back, and after that, you're gonna want to screw this back on there like that. That would be the easiest way. Okay. All right, so I got it all installed. I'm just missing the 2 screws up here and the covers. So we're gonna go ahead and start the car. And as you can see, the screen works. Let's see if it touches screen. Oh, maybe this is not a touch screen or something. Uh-oh. Okay, something happened. Let's see. Something's going on. Oh, there you go. It took a while. I was getting scared for a minute. There you go. So I guess the screen is that it works, right? So there you go. There you go. I was getting scared for a minute. I was like, no. Anyways, so yeah, there you go. The screen works. That's what we really wanted. Let's see if you had a good screen. So this car has 186,000 miles, brand new screen. So yep. All right, guys. If you liked the video, like the video. If you didn't, still like the video. If this helped you in any way, leave me a like, a comment, subscribe. If you have any comments, let me know down below.